something going on here. Hello.
Baseball size hail.
Hello. Nickel size hill in Chatham. Okay. So we're in Stonington right now. The sirens are going off. The weather spotters. Spotters are out. Yeah, it's right north of Taylorville.
We're heading towards Edinburgh. There it is.
Wow.
What?
That thing's fast. Yeah. Okay, we got some hill coming right here, bud. We gotta get out of here. Where's home at here? Right there. We gotta get out of this. Okay, you wanna go south?
I think so. We're gonna get this hail and we're gonna be screwed.
Enough of the big hill here. Yeah, here's your tornado sirens.
Wow.
So 104. The tornado's a 104 on the county line, the county road, the county line.
Can we bust north then? I don't know. What do you want?
No, I think there's going to be. I think we go this way. Okay. Keep looking that way.
I think that's what it was though. That one wedge we saw.
Yeah, I think we saw it. But which way is it going? Can you see on here which way?
It's moving to the east. So.
No.
It's gonna be. It is gonna be behind this leading edge here.
Where do you want to go? Down a little further?
Yeah, I think so.
There's the airport.